here we go. This is gonna suck, but here we go. The first thing we need to do while we're getting this all sorted is we need to figure out some rules. Let's open up Notepad here. Let's get some rules laid out. Hello. Alright, so rule 1. There can't be a branch if there is another floor tile directly next to it. So this is pretty easy to simple, or this is pretty simple to do. Just make a step counter and make sure it's always greater than 1. Alright, there we go. Rule 2. Always can connect with each other, but shouldn't overlap. Make a collider. Check if some is already there. Alright, and sure, let's roll with those. We're gonna have 34 rules, and no we're not. We're gonna have 67. What the fuck is this layout? Ugh, I just looked up. What is this? Gross. What the fuck? No, don't make me do another update. This is already bad enough. Unless you're reverting it back to the original, and then it's good. Holy feedback, what do you mean? I don't understand why there would be feedback. I think that's on your end, buddy. Now there should be feedback, but that's a whole different story. Ah! Somebody help, I just got it brand new. Okay. Wait, maybe it's feedback here. No feedback here. What the fuck? You're lying to me. Who just fucking DM'd me on Instagram? Oh yay, it's Riv again. Alright. Okay, James, what the fuck? Alright, now we have to wait for 20 minutes, so let's open up Spotify. Oh shit, for the first time it literally isn't playing something by default. Let's do a shuffle. Of course this song popped up first. Can we get like a half decent one? There we go. This is like okay. Oh, cool, we're done. All right, sick. What is this? All right, cool. We don't need. Did I accidentally do a universe? No, okay. I did a universal render. Get out of here. Okay, scripting time. All right. All we need is to figure out how to make things. That's a pretty tall order, but here we go. All right, let's do this. We're gonna create a cube. And we're gonna name this floor. Actually, we're gonna name this generator. Right. Set that to 0. And let's make ourselves a script. Generate. Please. Alright. Boom. Play Garden Shed by Tyler Willie, please. How about fucking no? We're listening to Peak right now, alright? Alright, here we go. So, let's go. First of all, we need a public... Actually, no, we need a serialized field. We need a serialized field. I know how to code. I totally know how to code. Game object. We're gonna call this floor object, right? We're also gonna have a game object called self, right? Fucking loud ass licking from right there, right? Actually, let's get a transform here. Self position. I think transform should be better. All right, boom. We need a serialized field in front of that so I can actually use it. Kaboosh. No errors so far. This motherfucker using C#, A flat better. A flat? You mean like template pop song? Also, buddy, you use some random ass proprietary language that literally only 3 people who have ever heard of, and all of them are from the 90s, okay? Shut up with your goddamn I2 interstellar bullshit, bro. We do not care. Alright. Let's go. Let's do void start. Simple enough. We're gonna do generate. Generate. Right? Boom. Void generate. We're gonna do advance. We're gonna do advance frame. Right? We're gonna do 3 functions here. Right? We're gonna do go to. Or sorry, we're gonna do return back and advance frame, right? And then finally we're gonna do place. Okay, perfect. I use Java and that JS. Fucking nobody cares. All right, moving on. Okay, void. For advanced frame, we're gonna do this, and we are going to do the following. We're gonna do int random dir. All right. Random dir equals random dot range 1 through 4, right? Cool. We're gonna do switch. I swear I remember how to do this. Nope. No. Okay. Your room dark as fuck? Yes, it isn't really, but it's from the camera. Okay, why the fuck ain't my Switch random dir working? Do I need a colon? No. That's literally what oh my god. Excuse me? What, you want fucking an already established variable? No, you don't. Fucking make up your mind then. Look at this shit. This is not doing what it should. What is so different about this? Nothing. It's not working. I'm intelligent, guys. Alright. Okay. It was because I had a fucking semicolon in my goddamn void. I'm gonna semicolon myself, Naka. My cat Crowley is looking longingly towards the bed. Fuck you mean ew? This just sounds like we're in hell right now. Yeah, you wanna know why? It's because it was the fucking song titled Quiet Mountain Hell Alternate Version. Fuck it, we ballin'. I'm spoiling some Jello in a hard place. As with everything, so that people don't fucking shoot me, everything is subject to change because this is not the finished version and I haven't fucking worked on this game in like 20 years, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be off. I have videography this year, and low-key, I just want to get, like, a super shallow depth of field lens just so that everything looks overly cinematic for no fucking reason. That reminds me, for a project I'm doing, I need to go ask my teacher on Teams if something is available. Microsoft Teams. Fuck you, I have to sign in. Right, I forgot. You have to sign in again. Woo! Well, the new iPhone 20 billion has a cinematic mode that can record in 40 trillion depth of field. I don't fucking care. It's not real depth of field. It's blurring something in a smart-ish way. The edges of your hair get fucked up on cinematic mode, so how about no? Alright, boom. Are there any classes in the theater in D block? I'm asking because for my music video project, I need it to be that way. Okay, I'm gonna close Teams, and we're gonna do this thing. We're gonna pretend like it isn't saying 1.78a. Oh, I forgot about that. I completely overhauled the way that object toggles work, so, and I didn't finish it, so that's interesting. Here we go, here's a sneak preview of one of the current work. It's the only one that I can. Oh, cool, man, it's already a. Oh, fuck. Well, okay, see, okay, yep, so I didn't fix it there. Cool, we're just gonna show what the new planes look. There we go. There we go. Game dev can't even play some fucking game. Crap. Don't worry, Yandere dev has. Yeah, but that's like comparing fucking. That's like comparing a petty theft crime to a fucking serious. Bro, we do not care.